a cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my got a
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit sent over from Unice Hair. They sent over one of their 7x5 5x0 glueless units by the name of Balayage Highlight Body Wave. This is how she's looking straight out of the box, and as you can see, Miss Girl has already come curled for us. She's also said to have pre-plucked lace, pre-plucked hairline, and pre-bleached knots. And so far, it's looking like all three of those have been done. This unit is offered in a density of 150% and lengths of 16 all the way down to 24 inches. And I received the 24 inch. The cap construction for this unit comes with one comb here in the back. It also has adjustable straps back here. And it also has an elastic, or excuse me, not an elastic, a silicone strip here in the back to, help grip onto the back of your neck. It also comes with a security band that you can attach and or remove if you choose to do so. Again, the lace on this unit is a 7x5, meaning you are going to get 7 inches going across the front and then 5 inches going straight back for the parting space. I'm trying to figure out if I want to just install this unit as like a regular 7x5 or if I want to like give it the frontal, girl I can't talk, the frontal look and turn it like to the side and like cut into the lace. I think I'll just install it like a regular 7x5.
Through me already gave you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text and you call me, still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You'll try and come back when you change. I always want the truth, but it's staying.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Unice Hair. I was just recently saying this in another video that if I'm gonna have highlights in a unit, I would prefer them to be this like really pretty brownish, caramel-ish type of color over the like flat out bright blonde colors or bright blonde highlights on a darker unit. I don't know, I just feel like it just complements my skin tone so much more. It just gives off a very nice, classy vibe. I don't know. That was one of the pros that I have for this unit, but you guys know we always typically start with my cons first. So let me go ahead and tell you my one and only con for this unit. When I was combing out this unit with my fingers, and then I also tried to use like a large round brush to also brush out the unit, I was getting a little bit of shedding here and there. Now I don't know if that's from when they pre-plucked the unit and then they didn't like go back in and comb it or brush it out, or if it's just because the unit was just shedding at that moment. But right here, right now, after I've cut the unit, I'm not really having any shedding. I just wanted to throw that out just in case if you do decide to pick up this unit and you have a little bit of shedding here and there, I want you guys to know that I also too experience it as well. Now let's move on to my pros of the unit. Well, granted, I guess I've already started off with the pros by telling you guys how much I love the color. But another thing I'm really liking about this unit is the fact that she is big head friendly. I want to say that most of the time Unice units are big head friendly, but for sure with the 7x5 5x0 units, I want to say those are, if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. But I want to say that almost always they're big head friendly. But speaking of the 7x5 lace space, you know how earlier I was saying I was trying to decide if I wanted to do a middle part or if I wanted to do a side part, and I was gonna like give the frontal look by like turning the unit. I'm glad I didn't, because I feel like that would have cost me more work than what actually needed to be done. As you can see, I went with the cute little side part, and I think she looks so good. Like, I feel like it still gives off a very natural looking side part type of situation, Despite this unit not being a full-on frontal, there's still still plenty of lace space to where you can create those side parts or a middle part. The lace on this unit is melting really nice. Now I will say that messed up a little bit because at first I wasn't going to put any makeup on the lace, and then at the last minute I was just like, oh, let me just put a little bit on. But what I did was I also chose to spray the unit down, and I know what to do because I installed so many wigs, but I did it kind of like backwards in a way. So I sprayed the unit down first, and then I added a little bit of makeup on top, and I don't like doing that because then it'll make the lace look cakey. And so right here in this area, you can probably see like a few like little ridges and whatnot. Do it the right way. Put your lace tint spray on first on the inside of the cap and not the outside, and then use your spray on your forehead, and then the lace will blend like chef's kiss. Besides my little mess up though, the lace is doing exactly what she needs to do. Right over here in this area, I love how well it's blending in though. Like this area, I guess I can use a comb. This area right here is lace, and then this is my hair. Like, come on now. The length of this unit was really nice, but come on now. We can't lie or deny. With me cutting the unit and then adding a few little like layers in the front on each side, didn't like up the unit just like what, 10 times more in my opinion. You can wear this unit with like no glues, no sprays, no nothing on her. Now originally that's exactly how I was gonna wear her, with like no spray on her. But then once I like curled her and put on my makeup, I was like, she's getting worn the rest of the day. So I did go ahead and spray her down, but just know you can wear it like that. I just prefer to spray mine down because I want to make sure she doesn't go anywhere. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I really like her, and she will for sure be staying in my collection. You guys let me know your thoughts and opinions about her down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.